Good morning, sir. This is my video explanation sa ako code sa problem 4. So in this part, sir, it is the pass by value part. Check some calculation. Uh, it also sir, it also iterative accumulation, sir. Tapos in this part, sir, it is the pass by reference part, which sanitize tags kay nakabutang dali. So in this part, sir, it is the step 2 of removing duplicates while keeping first the occurrence. It is the step 2 and this is the step 1. This is the step 1. So this, sir, it's the kani siya ang naga-reduce sa size. Tapos kini ang naga-count sa duplicates niya, kani naga-recheck sa also the naga-recheck sa current position. In this part, sir, it is the recursive function. Mao ni siya ang naga-count sa frequency of event tags kani. Tapos kani nga part, sir, kani nga part, sir, it is the search tag. Kani is the kaning marag also sir kani siya ang naga-return sa return siya sa first position kani if not found. Kani sir, dili sir mao ni siya ang siya na ang maximum size kay fixed na jud dili. There is the sanitized and here is the outputs. And next, sir, is I'll show the sample run. So so mao ni siya ang sample output, sir. Thank you, sir.